Filing a long-term disability claim requires you to prove that you are disabled under the terms of your policy. During this process, insurance companies often prioritize one type of evidence over another: objective medical evidence versus subjective evidence. Understanding the difference between these two types of evidence and how to strategically use both can be critical to the success of your LTD claim. Hi, I'm Leah, a partner at CCK Law, a nationally leading public interest law firm based in Providence, Rhode Island. Today, I'll be discussing objective and subjective evidence in LTD claims, why insurance companies focus on one more than the other, and how you can strengthen your claim using both. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Objective evidence is factual, measurable, independently verifiable data. It's information based on medical signs and lab findings, such as X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, blood tests, neurological test results, FCEs, and general physical exam results. Subjective evidence refers to symptoms, complaints, or conditions that are reported by the claimant that are not easily measurable or verifiable. Typically, these are based on the claimant's personal experience. It can include things like self-reported pain levels, fatigue, cognitive issues, dizziness, or migraines. Subjective evidence is common in conditions like fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, and certain mental health conditions, though. Insurance companies often demand objective evidence of disability, though, because it is concrete and verifiable, which insurers argue helps in preventing fraudulent claims. Insurers want to minimize payouts, and demanding objective evidence is a tactic to challenge valid claims. Some LTD policies may explicitly require objective evidence in order to receive benefits, though. Insurers often view subjective evidence with skepticism, which can lead to denials for lack of objective evidence. However, it's important to keep in mind that some courts have held that disability benefits cannot be denied solely due to a lack of objective medical proof. If an insurance company discounts subjective evidence, they must explain why they are doing so. For a claimant who has a condition with limited objective findings, there are ways they can strengthen their claim in order to receive benefits. They should maintain treatment and detailed, consistent medical records. It's important to report your symptoms to your doctor with details about the frequency, intensity, severity, and how your symptoms limit your daily activities. You can also consider obtaining a letter from your doctor detailing their observations and findings during appointments. You can also request things like a functional capacity evaluation or neuropsychological evaluation, if applicable to your condition, to measure your level of impairment. Also consider keeping a symptom journal to document each of your symptoms on a day-to-day basis and how they're impacting you, as well as gather and submit witness statements from coworkers, family, or friends who have observed your condition and how it affects you. Navigating the evidence requirements for a long-term disability claim, particularly when dealing with conditions based heavily on subjective symptoms, can be a complex and frustrating process. Understanding the difference between objective and subjective evidence and knowing how to build a comprehensive record using both is vital for overcoming insurer skepticism. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Take care.